So good evening everyone. My name is Vaishnavi and today I'm very grateful to tell my journey today. So let's talk about my journey. So I first joined this academy when I was in class 8. At that time my confidence level was almost zero. But when I joined the academy, I learned how to speak in English and also my confidence level reached to 50, then 60 and even 70. I started participating in the school competitions, in debate competitions, and even I won that competition. I was very confident at that time, but that was a transformational phase for me. But then everything got changed. The classes got over, the time passed, and I changed my school. I was very hesitated there, seeing all the students who were very confident and active than me. They are very expressive about their thoughts, about they're very confident, and I felt so underdeveloped or something bothering me that this was not me, that bold Vaishnavi that had become while coming to PCI. So I wanted that spark again in me, and that was the time when I realized that I need to join the academy again. I talked to my father that, Pitaji, I wanted to go there again, and they called the sir, and I came here again. And now I wanted that spark again in me. I wanted to feel free when I will perform on stage. I wanted to create a whole journey again that I had created before here. I was very confident. I used to give presentation, participate in Saturday activities. I used to enjoy a lot. I have danced here a lot. Everyone was very supportive. And when I remember all those things about PCI, I never felt hesitated. I used to do in my school or somewhere else. But when I speak here, I never felt that someone will judge me or will tell me that you are not doing good. Because everyone here, including the teachers, including the classmates, always are very supportive. And when it comes to come here and speak here, it's never about hesitating. It's just about initiating and giving your best. So I believe that when I will complete this course, I will be more confident and fearlessly expressive, and not just good in English but in life too. So I want to thank PCI. Thank you.